So I hope you guys are doing well, and yeah, I hope that you are liking the videos. So this video is all about the cover letter. So whenever you are applying for any of the job, you have to submit two things. One is your CV, which we already discussed, and another thing is your cover letter. Now, cover letter is really important because in cover letter you are describing yourself. Like when you applied for, your masters, you did created the SOP. So SOP is kind of a cover letter. So because it describes everything, and like your admission is dependent on your SOP, same way your job is dependent on your cover letter. So most of the time companies will ask for cover letter, but sometimes they might not ask. Okay, so as you are seeing on my screen, this is the simple cover letter that I made, and I applied to like various companies using this cover letter. And again, this cover letter is like reviewed by various people who have like good experience in working in big companies. So yeah, and even some of the persons are even working as a recruiter manager. So yeah, this cover letter is like reviewed by them. So yeah, it's good. You can trust on that. So the thing is that first of all, in cover letter you need to mention your details, like this is the few details. I will hide some of the detail, but yeah, your name, address, and email ID and contact number. Then human resource director, you can change this particular thing as per the company's requirement or as per the company's description or anything. And their director, or if you are applying, if you are like sending to some person, then you can just write the name or any detail about him or her, or you can write anything about that. You can just play around. Then this particular first paragraph. So now we're dividing first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and last two lines, which you can just play around as per your choice. But yeah, there's first thing, your work experience. You need to just submit, you need to just give brief about your work experience, like what you did, how you did your job, what kind of experience you have, what kind of skills you have, about that, like in a brief, very short sentence. You have to just submit. So you can read mine if you want to, and then yeah, you can just write your own. And if you want this particular cover letter, then do ask me in any of the social media. I'll just send it to you, or even for your reference, yeah, I will submit in my WhatsApp group also. So you can just get it from there. So yeah, that's the thing. So first thing, you have to write your experience, what kind of experience you have, what you did in your past, and skills and everything. So that's the first paragraph. Now second paragraph is that how your masters or your education, that is like how is that, how that thing is helping to you, how you are gaining the knowledge with that particular thing. You can just write in brief, and that will work. So first paragraph, your work experience in brief. Second, how your masters is helping you in your skills, like how you are gaining the skill using your masters. So that's the thing you can just put. Third one is your skills, like your powerful skills, and then what kind of a thing, like as you can see, I mentioned the programming languages and whatever I have already a certification, so I mentioned that particular thing. So whatever achievement you have, or whatever skills that you have right now, so whatever skills you have, which you can say that I have a good knowledge in that particular skill, that you can just mention over here, and that will be really helpful. So third paragraph is for that. Now why I'm like asking you to do like on first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, there is a reason which I will tell you at the last part of this particular video. But yeah, this is the thing you need to just go with. So this is the like actual flow you just need to consider. Just go with that. Now fourth one is your personal qualities, like what you have, or how you we are focusing on some certain things, how you are utilizing what kind of personal qualities that you have, which you can like which the recruiter can use in their company, or which recruiter can consider when they are seeing your cover letter or CV. So that you need to mention over here in your first paragraph. Now after completing this, yeah, you can just if you have extra skill set or extra things that you need to mention, then you can just use the fifth one, this paragraph, as I mentioned the same thing over here. And even I used the sixth one, sixth paragraph also for the same. So this entire thing you can just play around with your skills. Even you can just increase this technical terms over here to two paragraphs, and then you can mention two paragraphs of your personal skill, or you can just play around with this thing like technical terms and personal qualities or anything. You can just play around with that thing, so that will work. More upon that, this thing you can just see that, yeah, this is the thing. If you like this particular thing, then yeah, you can just send me mail or discuss with this. So this is a short sentence that you can write, and your senseless and the final statement. So that's it. Yeah, that. So this is the actual cover letter that you can create for yourself, and whenever you are applying for one of the company, you can just send it to the recruitment person, and yeah, that they will consider. So now why I am putting why I told you to put in this particular flow, because see, whenever you are creating your CV, you write your latest experience, like your last experience in first place. Let's say you have a four different experience, then your current experience, like the very current experience, that you will put at first place, and then you will go with the other experiences. So same way, you need to mention that why you need the job, why you are suitable for this particular job. So for that's the only reason that you tell them that I have this particular experience, and because of that only you can consider my application. So for that you are putting your career summary, your technical experience or whatever experience you have at first place, and then now the second paragraph, your graduate or undergraduate studies, because that is the thing from which you just got the job, whatever job you did in your past. So that you need to mention, and you need to mention that how that particular thing helped me to get a job, or how it is currently helping me in gaining my skills or anything. So you can just play with that thing. So second thing you need to put, so it is in flow. Now third thing is that your technical terms, your technical skills you have, because that is really important. As obviously you are applying for let's say you are applying for accounting job, you are applying for corporate job, finance job, or if you are applying for, this is the I'm from computer science, so this is for the technical field. But if you are applying for that, then obviously they will look for your skills. So to tell them that, okay, once they, after reading two paragraphs, they will get to know about your experience and how you are utilizing that particular thing, and then they will get to know that, okay, this kind of things you have already using your experience. So after your two paragraphs, you can just mention the actual skills that is required for job that you have, that you can just mention over there. And obviously you need to mention your personal skills, it is required in each and every job. So yeah, next paragraphs are for that, and then you just end cover letter. So that's the actual flow, and that's the actual way by which you can just create your cover letter. So yeah, that's it for this particular video. I hope this particular information, this particular cover letter or anything will help you. If you have any question or queries, you can just put in comment section, I will answer over there, or you can just connect me on any of the social media, I will always answer over there. So that's it for this particular video. I hope you like this particular video. Do like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see you guys in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.